Remember, real estate is a long-term relationship. In very rare occasions, you may even get away with a one-night stand. But for most buyers, this is a 30 years commitment. 30 years of max loan tenure. Different people can afford different properties based on how much they are able to borrow from a bank. And how much banks are able to loan you is based on how much you can pay off your monthly loans. So, the name of the game is how hard the money income can work for you in the next 30 years. Creative financing like 99-1, pledging, and show cash will help to stretch your loan amount. But do not get yourself overstretched with schemes like sell one buy two. This is not meant for everyone. I'll be doing a series of videos on this. Alright, please like, subscribe or follow us to receive weekly video updates. And if you have any property questions, feel free to call me or text me. Right, thanks for your support. Cheers.